In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you on Android. If Marketplace is missing, not loading, or showing that it isn't available to you, don't worry. There are several simple things you can try on your Android phone, and in many cases, one of these methods fixes the issue quickly. First, update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap it. Running an older version of the app can sometimes cause features like Marketplace to disappear or stop working properly. Once the update finishes, reopen Facebook and check if Marketplace is back. If that doesn't help, restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart, and wait for the phone to fully reboot. This may seem basic, but it can clear temporary glitches affecting the app. After your phone turns back on, open Facebook again and see if Marketplace appears. Next, clear the Facebook app cache. Go to your phone's settings, then tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, and select Facebook. After that, open Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem without deleting your account information. Then launch Facebook again and check Marketplace. If the issue still continues, you can also try Clear Storage or Clear Data, but keep in mind that doing this will sign you out of the app. Another thing to check is whether Marketplace is actually available on your account. Open Facebook, tap the menu icon, and look for Marketplace. If it's missing entirely or you see a restriction message, your account may not currently have access to that feature. You can also try logging out and signing back in. Open Facebook, go to Menu, then Log Out. Close the app completely, sign back in, and then try accessing Marketplace again. This refreshes your session and can sometimes restore missing features. If needed, reinstall the Facebook app. Uninstall Facebook from your Android device, restart your phone, and then reinstall Facebook from the Google Play Store. After that, sign in again and check Marketplace. You should also check your account status. In Facebook, go to Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Look for Account Status if that option is available, and see whether there are any Marketplace-related restrictions or policy violations on your account. Finally, if none of these methods work, report the problem directly through Facebook. Open the app, go to Menu, then Help and Support, and tap Report a Problem. Choose Marketplace, describe what's happening clearly, and attach screenshots if possible before submitting your report. And that's how to fix Facebook Marketplace not being available to you on Android.